What if the real reason your plants stay weak isn't lack of care, but missing just one simple boost? Sometimes plants don't need more water or sunlight. They need life in the soil, and this simple spoon mix can quietly bring them back. Start with 1 liter of water. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast and mix it well. Yeast is full of beneficial microbes that wake up the soil, helping roots absorb nutrients faster and grow stronger. Now add 1 small cup of milk and stir again. Milk provides calcium, which strengthens plant cells, improves leaf structure, and helps prevent common plant stress. Let this mixture sit for 20 to 30 minutes so the yeast activates properly. You'll notice a slight change. That's when it's ready. Now pour this solution gently into the soil near the roots. Don't flood the plant, just enough to moisten the root zone. You can use this once every 2 weeks. Within days, the soil becomes more active, roots start working better, and leaves slowly regain their natural color and strength. Simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. Try it once. Let your plants show you the difference.